Game plan for December 7th. I kind of just want to trade a continuation of this. Makes perfect sense. Ideally, I want to misalign kind of into this area and take buys. I definitely wouldn't be selling in this condition. High time frame pretty range bound, but we have this massive unfilled bearish move. Start of the week already swept the lows and then began pushing to the upside. So super intuitive price action. I really want some sort of buy. Want some sort of buy. I don't think I would enter within the low time frame trend. I think I'd probably wait for it to break. But yeah, hopefully we get that. If we don't, I probably won't take a trade. Haven't looked at DXY yet, to be honest. High time frame looks really rangy, pushing towards the bottom. Now it is within the bottom portion of that range, but did we already push up? Hardly. I'll just keep an eye on that, but yeah, hoping for buys. Yeah, we pulled back up here, broke to the downside, but then created this new low, broke to the upside. You're just naturally expecting a continuation. All right. I'm hoping that we open and bottom wick for the hour. As for where, I'm really not exactly sure. I'm kind of considering a couple of options, just depending on how we move here. This is solid. This is really good. We might actually get something in here. Just going to see how we respond down here to this low. And that's why you wait for your responses. Goddamn. Now I am going to wait for that 5-minute candle at this point. So it's opening and driving bearish, which is nice. I would like an actual retest of these lows though. Like a little sweep would be really nice. And then a volume hog response. That would be really good. So yeah, that's what I was looking for. I'm in there. TP is just actually at this previous high. That is how it's done. Come on now. 5-minute CV is pretty nice off the open, so yeah. It's just nice to see what I was putting into practice last week really work out. I'm really happy with how I read that. So yeah, we'll see what happens now. Realistically, yeah, I probably should have held this, but I don't know. I got in so low that it was sensible to take profit at that high. It was over a 1 RR, about a 1.3. So yeah, made sense. Also where that was 50% of this move. Makes sense. As for the DXY, wasn't really caring about it whatsoever. Once again, yeah, we were pushing bearish, but at the time, pretty much no volume. Didn't really care. And obviously it was really low. So yeah, we'll see how far this goes. I am kind of interested. Just trying to set this how it is. It's pretty much like that. Just based off of the tick candles, I think it will continue, but who knows? Maybe get like a little retrace and then snap up. Like if we were to get a disproportionate buy response, yeah, right there, that would be a nice entry right there. I guess it is right on a 5-minute interval, which isn't really the best, but I think that would have been all right. Looks like we did continue for a little bit and then just kind of drove bearish. Looks pretty rangy at this point. I'm definitely still happy with my entry. I would not want to be taking sells in this market condition, and not to say that that's right or wrong. I just know that it's not the condition that I would be personally looking for sells in. So yeah, happy with that entry.